Hey guys! Hello! How are you? Okay, let's talk about Lincoln Penny 1987 D. Okay, let's read first what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty 1987 D. Okay, at the back of the coin or the reverse of the coin. Okay, United States of America, E pluribus unum, FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1987 D Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay, here we go. All-time record price for a 1987 D penny was paid in 2013 when a deep-pocketed collector spent $1,998 to buy a specimen certified by Professional Coin Grading Service, MS68RD. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.